Lisbeth? Yes, Mama. I'm coming. Here, come. This little picnic tries so hard with her. Let me speak so. You know, if you chat so much, reverse and come back and speak proper. Is the hardest thing for raising. Lisbeth? Yes, Mother. I'll be there in a moment. That is better. Now, I'll wind down the road to clean smelly house. And I want you to go inside and stay quiet. Me know one you are around with the little mother drive to wide them out the road. Miss Girlie, too little, you know who me at. Alright, yes. Miss Girlie, you? Alright, Miss going up the road to a big meeting. You still want me bring back the chicken back and the flour? No, bring it to Heil. Alright. Babe, Otis and Glenn look after. Give an eye on this bed for me here. Cool. Alright, later. Otis and Glenn, can we play some Dandy Shandy? We got to do that.
Oh, yeah, you find your mother come chop off. I'm playing up with her.
And no, she not like Barney.
Whatever. What am I gonna go on, sir? You don't see what I don't see, I no leave. Chop, come, put it in foot.
Hey, no matter come teeth like the last time.
Whatever. Eeny, meeny, miny.
Yo.
You want me in.
Hey, but then you. Alright.
So?
Grab me out and you say.
Eeny, meeny, miny, mo, me, and you all. This is all.
What church I need them?
Let's go.
What is it? Come here, let's smoke. Come now. Come out this. And let me take a couple of minutes and smoke like that now. Jesus, what a hell.
Let me see.
Come, to the bar.
Behind you, what?
Come on, principal. Listen to me and eat.
Proper. You know your mother taught you better than that.
My mother couldn't even talk a word of English, even if the queen herself did birth her. Stop shaking her head, like the outfit, think the man in a eat. Come here! Little girl. Want me to tell you if you don't? I'm going to tell you say if you stand inside. Me can't chat good. But me can go clean people dirty house to make sure so you can go to good school to learn how to chat proper and be a nice uptown boy. But you don't want that. And what do you, girl?